Next we are going to move on to English for mass media. Okay, mass media, what do you mean by mass media? Mass media is going and relating to people in a mass, that is through newspapers, through magazines, through televisions, through radios, even as a cultural fete or something. Okay. So, how do we reach out to people? Now, for example, IIT in Chennai used to have culturals once in every year those days, that used to be called the Mardi Gras. Okay, Mardi Gras, and this Mardi Gras was one of the best in all the colleges and universities, because people will come and stay there for a week and they will have lot of competitions. Okay. So, this is also another way of reaching out to the younger generation, and let us see how two people are comparing. You know, comparing means to be the anchor person and talk to the people, to the crowd. Okay. Yeah, I am just going to read out how two people can talk to the crowd. I will just write here English for mass media. English for mass media, and this is comparing. Or being a compeer. I will just write comparing is a French word, and okay. Now, I am going to take the role of Radha, and we have another person called Shiv. Okay, Shiv and Radha are not now going to compare. This is Mardi Gras 2000, and this is in the campus of IIT Chennai, and Saturday 12th February 2000. Radha: good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to IIT Chennai Mardi Gras 2000. Well, there is music, hushed crowd, and the lighting of a ceremonious flame, but it has nothing to do with the Olympics. Tonight, Chennai's guys and girls have gathered for yet another Mardi Gras for the year 2000. It is being launched with a distinct Olympic flavor. The one-week festival will culminate on 19th February with a famous parade through the streets of IIT campus. In front of a hushed crowd on the steps of the IIT gallery, the flame is lit with the reverence of, well, Mardi Gras. Over to the light being lit. Ladies and gentlemen, Shiv Narayan and I are representing our students as compeers in this cultural event. And if you want to announce anything, anytime, you just come on right up and let us know. And Shiv says, now Shiv comes on stage. That's an offer. What are you going to do for the cultural fete? Are you looking forward to those? Now Radha says, yeah, we are wrapping up with Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia's flute concert, hey, I'm going to compete in the dumb charade sessions. Shiv. And that would be your best contribution to silence. It's a new event. Those who wish to take part can register in Counter C with Camel alias Kamlesh. Now, what is dumb charade? That is, through actions you have to convey a meaning. Radha. The Mardi Gras festival is estimated to pour more than 20,000 rupees into the treasury of the campus. So much for the aside. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and declare the fest open. So, all of them clap their hands. And Shiv. While it is important for us over the next few days to have fun, relax and simply enjoy ourselves, it is important for us to appreciate that what happens here has an effect elsewhere in our lives. Radha. Mardi Gras is much more than fast food, din music and event trotting. It has a focus on fun, and all our dreams and expectations are sure to feature during the coming days. Get going, folks. Shiv. Go forth and have an unbelievably gorgeous Mardi Gras. There is nothing nicer than being a supportive, aggressive participant in February, the month of Mardi Gras. Okay, now this is the beginning of a cultural event in 2000, and their estimate is 20,000 those days. That is how many years back? 16 years back. Now this Mardi Gras is the name of a summer festival, spring festival in foreign countries where people used to enjoy. So that was taken as a theme for our IIT people, and that was the first to host such a wonderful cultural event. Now every college has a cultural event, and even schools have cultural events. So many schools have taken up so many names like the Orca Culturals, the Swirl Culturals. So each school has got its own name, and they have culturals, and they make a lot of money for their educational institution. Now this why I read is, in case you become the compeer for your school or college event, for cultural event, it is going to really make a lot of difference. Compeering is a very skilled act, okay. Not only in schools and colleges, even on TV, you sometimes have to anchor a program. How would you do it? You have to have the confidence and the voice intonation, the rise and fall of your tone, and also how very interesting you make it. Okay, this is very, very important. Shall we just see how you can do a TV program and how you can catch up with the crowd. Okay. Okay, now we are going to do RJ, that is RJ means radio jockey, comparing a radio program. I told you mass media includes TV program, radio program, college culturals, writing in magazines, anything, it is mass media. And now I am going to do a radio jockey. Video jockey is VJ and disc jockey is DJ. So all this different terminologies you should know. So let us sing. Now this is a dialogue between a radio jockey Riya and Suma. Okay. So radio jockeys will get the phone, tring tring tring, and they just, hello, good morning, this is Radio Chili Hot, who's calling? Suma. Good morning, my name is Suma. Ria. Hello Suma, are you a student? Suma. Yes, I am a class 12 student. Okay, now I'll write it down and we'll proceed further. Okay, this is between Ria always in a radio program or this is, I'll just write here, radio jockey. Radio programs and television programs, they just, good morning, hello there, that's how they wish. Good morning. This is Radio Mirchi. Who's calling? And Suma, a girl, a school student, calls and she answers, good morning. My name is Suma. I am a class 12 student. And Ria has a comp here. Hello Suma. How are your studies going on? How are your studies going on? Now, what would you like to say? What would you like to say about stray dog menace? Stray dogs means dogs that are running around on the road without a proper owner. And for which now Suma says, first I would like to appreciate your program. Next, about stray dogs. I think most people are cruel to them. Cruel means very unkind. The other day, I read an item in the newspaper about some people stoning stray dogs to death. I think that is barbaric. Why she uses is mean whether it's past or present, that is barbaric. Barbaric means uncivilized, like olden generation people, that is uncivilized people, how they used to hurt each other with stones like that. So throwing stones at dogs is barbaric. Okay, so Ria. I agree. Okay, I agree, Suma. Now we can she just turns to the people and says, now listeners, Suma has given her opinion on the treatment or on how we should treat we should be kind to animals. If you are an animal lover, please call and give your comments. Thank you, Suma, for your for your opinion. And again, tring tring, the bell rings. Okay, see now this is a radio jockey and people are calling up and giving views. Okay, so we see here Ria as a compeer and Suma as a person who calls. Okay, so tring tring, here the bell rings and Ria, the radio jockey, picks up the phone and says, "Good morning, this is Radio Mirchi. Who's calling?" And Suma says, "Good morning, my name is Suma. I am a class 12 student." And Ria says, "Hello Suma, how are studies going on? Now what would you like to say about stray dog menace?" And Suma, she starts, "First, I would like to appreciate your program. Next, about stray dogs. I think most people are cruel to them. The other day, I read an item in the newspaper about some people stoning stray dogs to death." Stoning means throwing stones at stray dogs. "I think that is barbaric." Barbaric means very uncivilized, unkind, cruel. Ria. "I agree Suma. Now listeners, Suma has given her opinion on how we should be kind to animals. If you are an animal lover, please call and give your comments. Thank you Suma for your opinion." And then she puts the phone down and then comes another call, tring tring, tring tring, and then goes the compier's job. Many people will call and the conversations will go on between many people. So many conversations we can have in a radio jockey or TV jockeys, that is DJs conversations. Okay, so let's practice many like this.